In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to the Avaz program or the Avaz communication application. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to the folder where you want to add the word. I'm going to go to the things folder because I'm going to add the word kinetic sand. So I will go to things, and I'm going to add it to the toys folder. So I will select toys, and you'll see that there's some white blank areas. This means that there are buttons that are available for me to add to. So I will select menu, and I will select edit words. So you'll see kind of there's these dotted lines that have popped up. It shows you where you can add each button. So I'm going to add the word kinetic sand to this blank button here. So I will select new word, and I will select word, and I will type in kinetic sand. And you have an option to find pictures. So you can use the symbol, which is your symbol library. You can go on the internet. You can take a picture with your camera, or you can pull one from your photo library, which is on your iPad. I'm going to go through the symbol library. So I will just tap here, and I will type in kinetic sand. And I'll select done. And you will see that a picture of kinetic sand popped up. So I will use that picture because I like it. I will select save. And you see that kinetic sand has popped up, and I will select done. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide buttons in the Avaz communication application. So in this video, I'm going to first hide the folders time and the buttons think and let's. So what I will do is I will select menu. I will select edit words. And you'll see that there's these little circles that appeared in the top right corner. When you tap the folders or the buttons you want to hide, so when I type it or I tap let's, when I tap time, and when I tap think, you'll see there's a check mark in the top corner. That means they've been selected. Now up in the top, you'll see there's a hide. You can tap that and it will hide them. They've been shaded, and you can select done. And you'll see that they're no longer available. There are white spots. Now, if you want to unhide the folders or buttons you've already hidden, you can select menu, select edit words, and then you can tap them. They'll be shaded if they're hidden. And you'll see a check mark has appeared again in that top corner. You can select show, select done, and they are available again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock the menu on the Avaz communication application. I will also show you how to unlock it or remove a passcode. So the first thing you will do when you want to add the passcode or the password is select menu. I'm going to go to settings. And you're going to scroll down till you find general. And under general, you will see password protection. So you will tap password protection, and it's going to ask you to set the password. So I'm going to make it very simple. For this example, I'm going to set it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'll select OK. It's telling me that my password is set successfully. I will tap out, and you can test it by going to menu and trying to get into your settings. It's going to prompt you. You'll also see that you'll need it to get into your edit words. It will prompt you for a passcode or a password. When you get to search, though, you will not need one, which is great for other communication partners who might not know the password, but will need to use that word finder feature. Now, if you want to remove the password, you can go into menu. You'll go back to settings. You'll need to put in your password to get there. Select OK. Scroll back down to general. You'll go to password protection. And you will see that you have the option to remove the password. So I will remove it, and I will select OK. So it tells me that the password has been removed successfully. You can test it out by going to menu, and we'll go back into settings. And you'll see that I wasn't prompted to do my password. In this video, I will show you how to use the word finder feature on the Avaz program. In this example, I'm going to look for the word cookie. So I will select the search icon in the bottom right, search, and I will type in cookie. So you can see in the blue, it says see path. You can tap that, and it's going to walk you through the path to get to cookies. So it'll be highlighted or outlined in red. So I'll go from food to snacks, and you see cookies. You'll also see here that you have the options to do pluralize it, do possessives to kind of change the tense or the grammar of the word. And then once that's there, you can just select cookie. In this video, I will show you how to change the voice on the Avaz communication application program. So the first thing you will do, you're going to select menu, and you're going to select settings, and you're going to scroll down until you find the voice. So audio settings, you'll find voice. So you'll tap it, and it's going to, right now it's saying your voice is set to Aaron. I want to change it, so I'm going to select one of my default voices, and it's going to come up with the list. The language I want to use is English, so I will select English. And down here will be a list of the English United States voices that they have. I'm currently using Aaron. I'm going to change it to Samantha. So this is my voice. Hope you like it. Tap it. It will tell you. You get to hear how it sounds. And then if you want to change the speed or the pitch, you can just move this bar. And once you've kind of figured out how you want it to sound like, you can select save. I'll tell you it's saved, and then you can just tap out, and then you can test it.
Start.